Start your journey to Igbo language mastery by building a 1000 Igbo Words foundation. Are you ready? See me in the class. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. You are welcome to Igbo class. We are continuing our lesson today with 3-letter words and their English meaning. Remember, we are on our journey to build 1000 Igbo words vocabulary. If you have not watched our previous episodes, we advise you do so that you don't miss out on any. Today, we're beginning. Let's start right about now. Beer, come. Beer, come. Boa, sing. Boa, sing. Bie, cut. Bie, cut. Egbe, gone. Egbe, gone. The next one is the same spelling but different tone that made the difference. Egbe, kite. Egbe, kite. Eke, python. Eke, python. Ewu, goat. Ewu, goat. Ehi, bull. Ehi, bull. Eze, king. Eze, king. Same word following different tone. Eze, teeth. Eze, teeth. Eze, teeth. Next page. Ede, cocoyam. Ede, cocoyam. Egu, fear. Egu, fear. Ekwe, wooden gong. Ekwe, wooden gong. Enyi, friend. Enyi, friend. Fee, fly. Fee, fly. Four, blow, as in blowing the flute. Four, blow. Ba, shoot, as in shooting a gun. Ba, shoot. Bue, kill. Bue, kill. Ike, power. Ike, power. Iko, to plant. Iko, to plant. And we'll go to the last page now for today. We're continuing with Igbo, call. Igbo, call, to call. Igbo, to call. Igbo, to mold. Igbo, to mold. Igbo, some people call it auto, vagina, a female organ. Igbo, vagina. Igba, drum, musical instruments. Igba, drum. Igbe, box. Igbe, box. Igbu, to kill. Igbu, to kill. Isi, head. Isi, head. Isa, to wash. Isa, to wash. Izu, to buy. Izu, to buy. Isha, crayfish. Isha, crayfish. With that, we'll come to the end of our lesson today. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thank you. If you are watching us from YouTube and want more of this, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch our next upload. Our Facebook viewers are to join our group immediately for the next lesson. To support this project and help others to benefit, please like, share, and comment below. Daalụ nwanne m. Thank brothers and sisters. Chukwu gọzie gị. God bless you.